Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm you have permission and the owner's email. Once Outlook is open, choose Calendar View so you focus only on calendars. Click File, then Account Settings if you need to verify your account, otherwise switch to Home and pick Add Calendar. This first step initiates the sharing flow. Make sure you're using the same organization account as the calendar owner, because cross-tenant shares require different steps and won't appear here. Now add the calendar. In Desktop Outlook, select Add Calendar, then from Address Book, search the owner's name and choose their calendar. Click Open to add it to your list. Once done, make sure the calendar appears in your left pane under Shared Calendars. If you're on the web, go to Add Calendar People's Calendars and enter the email address, then Add. These methods attach the shared calendar to your view so you can overlay or toggle it as needed. Finish by configuring permissions and view options. Right-click the new calendar and open Properties or Permissions to confirm read or edit rights. Once configured, make sure events sync. If they don't, restart Outlook, clear the local cache, or remove and re-add the calendar to force a refresh. If problems persist, ask the owner to reshare explicitly and confirm they included your email and set appropriate permissions. This step resolves most invisible or empty shared calendars, so check that before escalating to IT.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.